Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And the question that came today, that is a very valid question. And I'm sure a lot of people are asking the same question, wondering what's the difference. What is the difference between a regular PC, like this machine that I'm using here, and an AI-capable PC, or anything that's Copilot plus PC, or a PC that has a neural processing unit? What is the difference? So the difference relies mainly on the fact that NPU, that neural processing unit, can compute things that your normal PC would compute if you needed to compute it, but at a much slower pace. So in fact, the NPU is giving the capacity of your own computer of doing some artificial intelligence tasks that normally are done outside. For example, when you use Copilot, which is the AI that Microsoft is pushing, is done outside. What you're doing when you're asking Copilot to do stuff, it's being computed in the cloud and data centers that have AI capable machines. So in an AI PC, if you have a PC capable of doing its own AI stuff, well, you could have an equivalent of Copilot but running within your own machine, never having to go outside. And an example of that is the famous recall feature that Microsoft has pushed on Copilot plus PCs. Recall is an extremely powerful feature that enables the NPU to analyze everything that's on your PC, so that if, for example, you would do a simple search, it would be able to find all sorts of things. You could ask it, where's my picture of a clown that I saved 3 months ago? And the AI, being capable of analyzing pictures, analyzing what's on your machine, would find it and say, here's the picture of that clown that you're searching for. And that all done within the machine, never having to go outside to do anything. And Microsoft did a lot of PR to tell everybody, no, Recall doesn't send anything to Microsoft. It does it all in the machine. And so this is why, and this is the difference basically of an AI capable machine. It becomes much more powerful at analyzing the data and at doing tasks that your computer without a NPU would be able to. I mean, an NPU is not a magic unit. It's just a chip that's programmed, that's actually designed to do specific tasks for the artificial intelligence side of computing. Your PC would be able to do a recall. Recall would work, for example, on a machine like the one I have here, except that it would be dreadfully slow at times in doing certain tasks, and it would not be as good at analyzing anything because the algorithms of the NPU help it do some of the tasks much better with much more efficiency. So think about the fact that an AI-capable PC will be able to run powerful tasks within the computer itself without having to go to the cloud and ask for extra computing power. And the NPU would help it, of course, do all sorts of requests that a normal PC isn't capable really much, or if it is, it would be too slow, where a normal PC, well, doesn't do that. So you have to rely constantly on external approach for any AI that your PC will do. So I hope this kind of helps people understand why an AI PC is different. And also, of course, that means that all the apps installed on your PC could use that AI capability to do all sorts of tasks. That would be great. Like, for example, Paint is capable of doing new AI features, but it uses Copilot externally. So when you ask Paint to do some of the tasks, what happens is that the Paint app goes to the cloud, asks for that computing power to do what you're asking, and then puts it in the Paint app. A Copilot Plus PC, an AI-capable PC, would do the same, but within the machine. It would not need to have that extra cloud service to do the same task. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.